Let's check in with Twin Cities Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko in Chicopee with a look at the wind issues regarding the storm.
That's right, Nick, and of course, as you were mentioning, it's a light, fluffy snow, and the reason for that is because it's so cold. We have temperatures only in the teens and 20s out here right now, and we have seen some of these wind gusts between about 25 and 30 miles per hour that's blowing the snow around, as you mentioned, also reducing visibility out there, but it's also adding to a wind chill, making it feel a lot colder than the actual air temperature, making it feel like it's only in the single digits. So if you're going to be out shoveling, if you're going to be out snow blowing, you want to make sure you bundle up because of the protect yourself from the cold. Also, as you're doing your snow blowing, as you're taking that snow off the car, if it's breezy, if it's windy, that snow is going to blow on top of you, and that makes it even colder. So keep that in mind before you go out and shovel, before you go out and snow blow or clear off your car, to make sure you bundle up, wear the hat and gloves. We have about 9 inches of snow here on the ground in Chicopee. The snow is coming down. It's moderate snow. The good thing is we have seen the plows out all morning long. They continue to make multiple passes on 91, on 391. So that is some good news. Still the roads are snow covered, but give yourself plenty of extra time if you have to travel out this morning, because they are in relatively good shape based upon the fact that they continuously are making passes and trying to keep the roads clear, despite the fact that the snow is coming down at a pretty good pace. That's the latest from here in Chicopee.